What's sorry, what's going on, guys? It is your boy, Mr. Noland again. All right, now we're going to do some examples of ratios from word problems. All right, let me go ahead and share my screen. All right, here we go. Now I got 4 examples, but I put them in a little different order here. I'm going to start with this one first. Bob has 12 red cards and 20 green cards. What is the ratio of Bob's red cards, so this is first, to his green cards, which is second? Guys, if I put first, it means it goes on top. Second means it goes on bottom. So what 2 things am I comparing? Red cards to green cards. How many red cards did I have? Well, it says I have 12 red cards and I have 20 green cards. Hey guys, there's your ratio. Can you simplify it though? Are they divisible? Yes. Since they're both even, they're both divisible by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Oh, look at that. They're still even numbers, so they're both divisible by 2 again. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the ratio of red to green cards is 3 to 5. Now, some of y'all said, well, Mr. Noland, couldn't you just divide 12 and 20? Doesn't 4 go into both of them? Yes, it does. So you could have simplified them both by 4 if you wanted to. I just broke it down a little extra step there. That's all I did. All right. Now I'm going to show y'all something a little bit new. This is called a Juan chart. The W stands for words. The O is the original information. The N is the new information. So guys, the words, that's just what you're comparing. Again, whatever comes first goes on top. The bakers at a bakery can make 160 bagels in 4 hours. How many bagels can they make in 16 hours? So here we're comparing bagels to hours. My original information says I can make 160 bagels in 4 hours. We want to know how many bagels. So we're solving for how many bagels in 16 hours. All right. So this one's a little bit different, guys. We're now having to do a little bit of math. So guys, we're going to use the multiplicative comparison, which means multiplicative, you have to multiply. 4 times what number is 16? Wasn't that times 4? So whatever you multiply here, you have to multiply by up here. So what's 160 times 4? 4 times 0 is 0. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So this person can make 640 bagels in 16 hours. Okay? I want y'all to try this next one on your own. The ratio of boys to girls. You can either do it this way, or you can set it up as a one chart, whichever one. Again, this is something new, but it's going to help us going forward. We're going to be doing a lot of the one charts. So if you can, please pause the video because I'm going to continue. Pause the video. Once you finish solving it, then push play again, see if you get the correct answer. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start working on it again. The ratio of boys to girls. Boys, girls. So I'm going to create my one chart. Words, original, new. So here we are. Boys to girls is 2 to 3. Again, boys came first, so that means the boys is the 2. The girls is the 3. If there are 18 boys in class, so that's my new information, we want to know how many girls there are. Well, guys, to go from 2 to 18, didn't you have to multiply by 9? So 3 times 9 is 27. There would be 27 girls in that class. Not too bad. All right, now there's the last one. A spaghetti recipe that serves 8 people calls for the following ingredients. Here's all the ingredients. How much ingredients will you need to make an identical recipe for 72 people? Well, guys, check it out. Here's 8 people, so there's people served. We're now going to go to 72 people, so that comes up here. So, guys, how would you go from 8 to 72? Don't you multiply by 9? So, guys, you got to take all these numbers and multiply them all by 9. And then you will have your answers. So let's see. I'm going to do the easy ones first. 3 times 9 is 27. All right. Now I'm going to, since I got fractions and decimals, I'm going to multiply. 2.5 times 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Carry the 4. 9 times 2 is 18. Plus 4 is 22. Move my decimal back 1 time, so that's 22.5. 1.5, isn't that same as $1.50? So 1.5. Multiply that by 9. Again, 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 4 is 13. Move the decimal back 1 time, so that's 13.5. And then finally, 2.25 times 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Carry the 4. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 4 is 22. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 2 is 20. Move the decimal back 2 times. 20.25. So there it is, guys. That's how you do that. Again, you got to see the one chart. I'm not going to make you do it on tonight's homework. It's just if you want to. It's the reason we use the one charts. It organizes your materials. It helps us see the multiplicative comparison here. All right, guys. I hope this video helps. Please pause and take notes. You're allowed to use them on your test. All right, guys. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.